Hi, it's Kyle Barker with Central Texas Technology Solutions, and we're here in front of our offices. I just want to give you a quick tour of CTTS. Let's go inside. Well, here we are on the second floor. You know, we've been serving Central Texas for over 17 years. So let's go inside and check it out. Of course, whether you call or whether you come in, Michelle will be here to welcome you, and our techs are always back there looking forward for your phone calls. We love hearing from our clients. In fact, anytime our clients write a review of us, we post this up all over the office so all of us can enjoy. And so here we go. There's a couple of our techs are out today, Brandon and Ramon. They're on site servicing a couple of our clients. And here's the OR of CTTS. This is where we take your hardware, we service it, we diagnose the issues, or when you have new hardware that comes in, we prep it for you, make sure everything is up and working the way it should be. You know, our clients are like family, and that's why when you call in, we know the employees by their first name. And we want you to be our family. Below here are some links for you to click on to find out a little bit more about CTTS, how we work with our clients, and what we can do for you. Thanks for joining me.